The sun, a blazing ball of plasma, the heart of our solar system, it bathes us in light and warmth, the very source of energy that makes life on Earth possible. From the smallest blade of grass to the largest whale, all life owes its existence to the sun's energy. Plants use it for photosynthesis, creating the oxygen we breathe and the food we eat. Animals, in turn, consume these plants or other animals, passing the sun's energy up the food chain. The sun's influence extends far beyond just providing energy. Its immense gravity holds our planet and all the others in a delicate dance, keeping us from spiraling off into the cold depths of space. It dictates our seasons, our weather patterns, and even the length of our days and nights. The sun, in essence, is the conductor of the grand symphony of life on Earth. But what if this celestial conductor were to suddenly vanish? What would happen to our planet, to life itself, if the sun were to simply disappear? It's a chilling thought experiment, one that allows us to grasp the true magnitude of the sun's influence and the precarious nature of our existence. Let's embark on a journey into this hypothetical scenario, exploring the cascading consequences of a sunless solar system and pondering the possibilities, however slim, of survival in a perpetually dark and frigid world. The sun is not just a source of light and heat. It is a dynamic, ever-changing entity. Solar flares and sunspots are just a few of the phenomena that occur on its surface. These solar activities can have profound effects on our planet, influencing everything from satellite communications to power grids. The beautiful auroras, or northern and southern lights, are a direct result of the sun's charged particles interacting with Earth's magnetic field. Scientists continuously study the sun to understand its behavior and predict solar storms that could impact our technological infrastructure. Throughout history, civilizations have revered the sun, recognizing its vital role in agriculture, timekeeping, and spiritual practices. Ancient structures like sundials and solar calendars were created to track the sun's movement, highlighting its importance in human society. Today, we harness the sun's energy through solar technology, providing a sustainable and renewable source of power. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and helping combat climate change. As we continue to innovate and develop new technologies, the sun remains a constant, reliable source of energy and inspiration. Our very own star, the sun, is a testament to the intricate and delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. It is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things and the profound impact a single celestial body can have on an entire ecosystem. As we gaze upon the sun, let us appreciate its brilliance and the life-giving energy it provides, knowing that without it, our world would be a vastly different place. The sun, our very own star, continues to shine, guiding us through the cosmos and illuminating the path of life on Earth. Let us cherish this magnificent star and the countless ways it shapes our existence, from the dawn of time to the present day. For as long as the sun shines, life on Earth will continue to thrive, nourished by its boundless energy and warmth. Our very own star, the sun, a beacon of life and a symbol of the enduring power of nature. Imagine for a moment that the sun has just blinked out of existence. We wouldn't notice immediately. Light, traveling at an astonishing speed of about 299,792 kilometers per second, still takes about 8 minutes to reach us from the sun. This means that even if the sun were to vanish suddenly, its last rays would continue their journey towards Earth, giving us a brief respite from the impending darkness. So for those precious 8 minutes, life on Earth would continue as if nothing had changed. People would be out enjoying the sunshine, children playing in parks, and families having picnics, all under the illusion that everything was perfectly normal. We'd go about our daily routines, basking in the warmth of the sun's rays, blissfully unaware of the cosmic event that had just transpired. Then, without warning, darkness would descend upon us. Sudden, absolute darkness would engulf our planet. The transition would be so abrupt that it would leave us in a state of shock and confusion. The sun, the constant in our sky for billions of years, would simply be gone. Its absence would be a stark reminder of our vulnerability and the vastness of space. The moon, which relies on the sun's light to shine, would disappear too, plunging us into an eternal night. The familiar glow of the moon would be replaced by an eerie, star-filled sky. Our world, once bathed in the sun's warm glow, would become a chilling alien landscape. The temperature would begin to drop rapidly, and the once vibrant Earth would start to feel like a desolate, frozen wasteland. This sudden shift from light to darkness would be the first jarring sign of the catastrophe that has befallen our solar system. The immediate impact would be felt by every living creature on Earth, but the darkness would be just the beginning. The loss of the sun's gravitational pull would have catastrophic effects on our planet's orbit, potentially sending Earth spiraling into the cold void of space. The true consequences of the sun's disappearance would unfold gradually, each more devastating than the last. The loss of sunlight would mean the end of photosynthesis, leading to the collapse of ecosystems and food chains. Temperatures would plummet, oceans would freeze, and life as we know it would cease to exist. This grim scenario paints a stark picture of our planet's fate, highlighting the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. A chaotic ballet of cosmic proportions. With the sun gone, Earth would be plunged into an endless night. The absence of our star would mean the loss of the primary source of light and warmth that sustains life on our planet. The immediate effect would be a world shrouded in darkness, a perpetual night that would be both eerie and disorienting. But the loss of light would be the least of our worries. The sun's light is not just for visibility, it is the energy that drives weather patterns, ocean currents, and the very cycles of life. Without it, the intricate balance that sustains ecosystems would be thrown into chaos. The sun is our primary source of heat, and without it, temperatures on Earth would plummet rapidly. The warmth that we take for granted would dissipate, leading to a swift and severe drop in global temperatures. The initial drop would be felt within days, as the residual heat in the atmosphere and oceans begins to escape into space. Within a week, the average global temperature would drop below freezing. This rapid cooling would be unprecedented, far surpassing any natural climate variations we have experienced. The cold would be relentless, seeping into every corner of the planet. Within a year, it would be colder than anything experienced during the last ice age. The Earth would become a frozen wasteland, with temperatures plummeting to levels that would make survival nearly impossible for most forms of life. Oceans, which cover the majority of our planet, would begin to freeze from the poles downward. The process would start at the surface, with ice forming and spreading, eventually reaching deeper layers. The once vibrant and life-sustaining oceans would turn into vast expanses of ice. The frozen surface would reflect more sunlight, or what little there would be from distant stars, further accelerating the cooling process. This increased reflectivity, known as albedo, would create a feedback loop, making the Earth even colder. Eventually, even the atmosphere itself would begin to freeze, with gases like carbon dioxide and nitrogen turning into snow and falling to the ground. The air we breathe would become thin and frigid, making it difficult for any remaining life to survive. This rapid and relentless cooling would spell disaster for life as we know it. The ecosystems that have evolved over millions of years would collapse, unable to adapt to the sudden and extreme changes. Plants, deprived of sunlight, would no longer be able to photosynthesize. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert light into energy, and without it, they would be unable to produce the food they need to survive. They would wither and die, taking with them the base of the food chain. The loss of plant life would have a cascading effect, leading to the collapse of entire ecosystems. Animals, both herbivores and carnivores, would soon follow suit, succumbing to the cold and starvation. The intricate web of life that depends on plants for food and oxygen would unravel, leading to a mass extinction event unlike any in Earth's history. The planet would become a barren, lifeless ice ball drifting through the cosmos in perpetual darkness.